In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DuckDuckGo email. DuckDuckGo's email protection gives you a simple @duck.com address that forwards to your real inbox while removing email trackers, helping you keep your personal address private and your data safer. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser app on your phone. It's available on major mobile platforms, and having the latest version installed will make the process smoother. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, it may appear as 3 dots in the corner of the screen. Tap that menu to reveal more options. From there, go into Settings. This is where DuckDuckGo keeps all of the privacy tools and customization options. In the Settings list, find and tap Email Protection. This section is dedicated to creating and managing your @duck.com address. On the Email Protection screen, tap the button labeled Get Started or Enable Email Protection. DuckDuckGo may show a brief explanation of how forwarding and tracker removal work, and then it will guide you through the setup. Next, choose your preferred @duck.com address. Pick something simple and memorable. If the name you want is already taken, try slight variations until you find one that's available. After that, enter the email address you want messages forwarded to. This is your real, everyday inbox, the place where you already read mail. DuckDuckGo will forward messages there and strip out hidden trackers along the way, giving you more privacy without changing how you read your email. To finish, open your regular email inbox and look for a message from DuckDuckGo. Follow the verification instructions inside, usually by tapping a link or button, to confirm that you own the forwarding address you provided. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment and check folders like spam or promotions. Once verified, your @duck.com address becomes active. From now on, any email sent to your new @duck.com address will arrive in your usual inbox, minus most tracking pixels and scripts. If you ever need to review or adjust settings, return to the DuckDuckGo browser, open the menu, go to Settings, and select Email Protection again. There you can see your chosen address and manage preferences. That's all it takes. You now have a privacy-friendly @duck.com address that's easy to share and simple to use, with the convenience of your existing inbox and the added protection DuckDuckGo provides.